your weather authority.
Welcome back, taking a live look out from the Scarlet Pearl this evening and looking off to the north and east at some of these towering cumulus clouds and thunderstorm clouds that we've seen off in the distance throughout the last couple of hours or so. Elsewhere, we haven't really had much rain, if any, so we are looking at these storms here on our Mississippi Power radar, sparking due to this outflow boundary that was set off by some storms earlier in Alabama this afternoon. So along this outflow boundary, basically from Lucedale back down to the southeast towards the Alabama state line, we are dealing with some heavier rain at times and a little bit of lightning as well, but elsewhere we are staying pretty dry. Now, as this gust front continues to move off to the south and west, we could see a couple stray showers pop up along it, but I think the heaviest rain should stay back off to the north and east. Temperatures right now, especially over towards Lucedale with some of those storms out there, 77 degrees, feeling a lot better, however, still feeling rather humid. The rest of us are looking at upper 80s to low 90s on the coast, mid to even some upper 90s further inland. Wiggins coming in at 96 right now. So it is hot out there as we go through the evening hours. Temperatures dropping back into the mid and upper 70s for the most part. Skies will remain fairly clear as well, and winds out of the west around 2 to 4 miles per hour. As we get into tomorrow, our Singing River forecast does keep about a 20% chance for some showers in the forecast. However, we do have that heat advisory throughout the day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. High temperatures reaching the low to mid 90s, and coupling that with the humidity out there, feeling a little more like 108 to 110 as we head through the hottest part of the afternoon. And again, rain chance staying low, especially along the coast, kind of like what we saw today. However, inland areas looking at about 40% because we'll have winds out of the southwest tomorrow. It is possible to get a little bit of a lake breeze off of Lake Pontchartrain, which would account for some of these higher rain chances off to our west. But for the most part, we are going to stay dry through the day tomorrow and into part of the weekend as well. By Friday morning, we are looking at a good mix of clouds across the area. Northerly winds to start off the day, but then transitioning to more of the southerly wind as we go through the afternoon. Coastal areas staying dry, but a few chances for showers further inland. And as we go through the next couple of days, that rain chance is going to stay relatively low. By the time we get into Sunday, it is possible to see a slightly higher rain chance through the afternoon. High temperatures, though, still remaining in the low 90s. Once we get into next week, we are looking at a slightly unsettled rain chance as well going into Monday and Tuesday before backing off into Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures, though, really not changing much from the low to mid 90s, and overnights are still warm in the mid 70s.